Given that I've just finished university, I've been getting questions about student food quite a lot. I spent the past 3 years studying history. I was writing essays all day, every day, and didn't always have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So I thought for today's video, I would just keep it very chill and very simple with 15-minute meal ideas that I love and that certainly don't miss any flavor despite this very short preparation time. And of course, these meals aren't just for students, they're great for anyone that wants to eat a little bit healthier but often finds themselves in a hurry. And as a bonus to spice things up, I filmed all of these recipes outside because we are currently having a bit of a scorcher here in the UK, aka a heat wave, aka the sort of weather in which one can't comprehend using an indoor kitchen when British houses don't have any AC. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Maria, and if you love recipes that are quick, easy, healthy and gluten-free, I would recommend subscribing to my channel because I share a lot of those as well as more healthy lifestyle, wellness related content. So everyone's welcome. Anyway, recipe number 1 is going to be a yogurt pasta salad. I absolutely love pasta and pasta salads in particular because you just can't go wrong with them. You don't have to be super precise at all in terms of measuring ingredients, and they're great for keeping in the fridge for meal prep because pasta salad often tastes even better the next day. This one has a very unique hint of spice and features a bunch of vegetables that I had in my fridge, but you can switch these up based on personal preference. You want to start by cooking pasta of your choice according to the instructions on the packaging. I use gluten-free penne for this recipe. Then prepare vegetables of your choice. As you can see, I halved some cherry tomatoes and also chopped a bunch of scallions. When the pasta is ready, transfer it to a bowl together with the tomatoes and the scallions, some steamed broccoli and cauliflower florets, a few cloves of garlic and a pinch of salt. Proceed to mix that together thoroughly. Now add unsweetened yogurt of your choice. I simply use Greek yogurt, followed by fresh cilantro, cumin, paprika, sriracha and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything together and that's literally it. I am sure that you will love this quick and flavorful meal as much as I do. Recipe number 2 is going to be a quick peanut chickpea curry. I've been making this recipe for the past 2 years, and what I love the most about it is the addition of peanut butter, which brings in a really unique and creative flavor. You can serve it with any rice of your choice or cauliflower rice for a lower carb option. Start by adding some cooking spray or oil of your choice to a pan, followed by minced garlic cloves, onion and some green beans together with tomato paste, and just cook this until the vegetables start to soften. Now you want to add cumin, paprika, garam masala and cook for just a few minutes more. Next, add a can of chickpeas, coconut milk, chopped tomatoes and curry powder and allow to cook for around 5 minutes and stir it frequently. Then squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and add the smooth peanut butter, after which you want to stir for a few minutes more. At the end, I like to add a few handfuls of fresh kale and serve this meal when the kale wilts fully. Our next recipe is going to be a garlic zucchini tuna salad, which you can literally mix together in about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you want to save even more time, I would recommend preparing your vegetables in advance, which is actually one of my favorite meal prep hacks overall. I also love bringing this one to barbecues and picnics because it's such a delicious and simple meal that's very flavorful, and you can serve it with any side of your choice or in a wrap or a sandwich. This is incredibly easy. Start by preparing vegetables of your choice. As you can see, I used an onion, zucchini and a bell pepper. Add all of these to a bowl together with canned tuna, Greek yogurt, or you can also use mayonnaise, scallions, tomato paste, mustard, garlic, balsamic glaze and lemon juice. If you can't find balsamic glaze, then balsamic vinegar also works. Mix together and now it's ready to serve. I serve this tuna salad with a sweet potato, avocado, a spoonful of ricotta and some chili flakes. Last but not least, we have a lentil potato salad, which has quickly become a family favorite. It's really refreshing and ideal for warm weather because it has that lovely summery feel to it and an amazing variety of textures due to the contrast between the lentils and the crunchy vegetables. If you don't give this one a try, you are definitely missing out big time. Not to toot my own horn too much or anything. Firstly, chop the potatoes into bite-sized pieces and cook them for around 10 minutes until they soften. Meanwhile, prepare the vegetables. I diced an onion as well as a red bell pepper. Drain the potatoes when they are cooked through and transfer them to a bowl together with the vegetables, a can of green lentils, red lentils also work, some chopped gherkins, garlic and dried thyme. For the dressing, you will need tamari or soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, mustard, olive oil and maple syrup. I also like to add fresh cilantro for extra herby freshness. Okay, and we are done for today. Let me know if you enjoy this type of meal that's very simple and casual and that requires minimal preparation, or leave your suggestions down below as to what sort of recipe you want to see next. I am currently wishing all of you a very beautiful day as I try to figure out how to make an outro to a video non-awkward, and I honestly don't think that's possible. So yeah, I guess I'll just say goodbye and leave it here. And yeah.